Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to excel at work on your laptop. First, let's optimize your workspace. Adjust your laptop's display settings for comfortable viewing, perhaps reducing blue light. Ensure you have adequate lighting to minimize eye strain and improve focus. Finally, set up an ergonomic workspace, positioning your screen at arm's length and your keyboard comfortably to support good posture and prevent discomfort during long work sessions. Next, let's talk about leveraging the right tools. Utilize powerful productivity suites such as Microsoft Office or Google Workspace for document creation and collaboration. Implement task management applications like Trello or Asana to organize your daily workload and track progress. Also, employ cloud storage services like Google Drive or Dropbox for secure file access and automatic backup, ensuring your important documents are always safe and accessible from anywhere. Now, let's master your time and focus. Apply the Pomodoro technique, working in 25-minute focused intervals followed by 5-minute breaks. This method significantly boosts concentration. Minimize digital distractions by closing unnecessary browser tabs and silencing notifications from social media or messaging apps. Taking short, 5-minute breaks every hour helps maintain energy levels and prevents mental fatigue, ensuring sustained productivity throughout your workday. Finally, let's discuss maintaining both your laptop and your well-being. Keep your laptop clean and free of dust, especially around vents, for optimal performance and longevity. Regularly update your operating system and software to ensure security and access to the latest features. Most importantly, practice good posture, take frequent breaks to stretch, and step away from the screen to protect your physical health and prevent burnout, ensuring long-term productivity.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.